Wireless transmitters are very good tools for videographers. I've been using Hollyland wireless transmitting systems for a couple of years now. And now they send me the transmitter Mars 4K, which is their newest 4K capable transmitter and receiver. It's Peter here, and let's get right into the business. And a disclaimer. As always, when I get something from some manufacturer, I need to say the disclaimer. This unit was sent to me, and everything I say is based on my own usage, and the opinions are generated from that usage. And before I talk about the specs and why I use it and how I use it, let's see what's included. Everything is there except the batteries and the cords. It didn't come with the HDMI cords or a USB-C cord, but there is a small USB adapter. It takes NPF batteries, Sony NPF batteries, which is a good deal because they are very widely available and not too expensive. And it has also two other ways of powering up the device. It has AC cord, or then you can use a USB-C power bank, or USB power bank with the USB-C connection. Very good that there are several ways of powering these things up, so you're not only reliable on batteries. The device is very well made, like all Hollyland products that I have. I also been using their wireless microphones, the Lark 150, and there's a video about that too if you're interested in that. And it has two inputs, HDMI and SDI, so it's very versatile. It can be used with real big production cameras and also with mirrorless small video cameras too. And here are the other specs. And the usages I have for this device. I have been using it two ways. The first one is so that I can see the image from my B cam when I'm doing some video interviews, for example. The other camera, I'm standing behind the camera, and then I have the monitor that will get the feed from the second camera, so I see that everything is there. There is no problem with the exposure or the focusing or anything like that, so that everything is fine. I know that the footage is okay also on the B cam, and that's a big benefit for one-man band like I am. And the second one is that I can hand a monitor to a client and have it get the feed from the camera wirelessly, so they can be on the other room and see what's going on with the filming, and that's also a very good benefit. Hollyland also has a very good app that can be connected via Wi-Fi to the transmitter. So you don't need a receiver at all. If you only had the transmitter and the app, then you can monitor what's going on. So that's also a good addition to the whole system. Then you do not necessarily need to have a receiver and a monitor if you want to travel light or don't have room for all the equipment. Then you can just have your phone to be as the monitor, and I think that's a very good. And the monitor, the app has all the things, false colors, zebras, and all that. Magnify. You can easily focus if you need with the aid of that, and it's well-working app. And then the app can also record full HD from the camera via the transmitter. I haven't really used that, but where I could use it is if I need to record menus from the camera for these videos or something like that. So it's a handy extra thing that I can use, but to be honest, I haven't really used it. If it was able to record 4K, that would be totally awesome. Well, Mars 4K is a very handy tool for me or anybody who needs a reliable wireless transmitter. And the reach is quite long, so you can use it outdoors somewhere. You can be a long way from your camera. Let's say that you're inside a cabin and want to record something outside. You can be indoors and let the camera be there outdoors, because this device can be used all the way up to -10 degrees, which is pretty good. It's about the same that they promise for my own one, even though I've been using Olympus gear or OM system gear in very cold conditions. But yes, it is a good thing that they promise it to be -1, so you can leave the camera out and be indoors and see what's going on. And if you're interested in Hollyland gear, there is some more videos about their gear. But hey, thanks for watching, and bye for now.